Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you my slime that I fixed. So these are when I put my water inside this and it was good, and then we added some lotion. I added, and it's now so nice. This is the first one that I did it. It's a little bit not bright. It's so butter. It's so buttery. So I added lotion in it, and then it's buttery. If you want your slime buttery, you should put lotion. So first thing I'm gonna say is subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna subscribe to your channel if you subscribe to my channel. But it's a little bit sticky, but no problem. Go to the next one. Let's do this. Next one is the same as this one, but this one is more smoother. And it's so satisfying. Tell me down below, what do you love more? This one, number 1, or number 2? This